Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, I am Shakay. I do vlogs, lifestyle, beauty videos. So if you're interested, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click the bell so you're notified every time I make a video. So guys, the title says it all, or the thumbnail. Today's video is pretty much going to be subscribers rating my outfits for the summer. So I created a Google Forms thing, a Google Form sheet, and I sent it out. I also posted it on my community tab. So if you guys did not get to do that, I probably will do a next one. Just comment down below if you want me to do another one. I oftentimes put these things on my Instagram. So if you guys did not get to participate in this one, I could do a next one very soon. Not sure, because I do have more outfits that I wore that I did not put in this one. I just put in like I think about 5. So go ahead and follow my Instagram right now at bratsbabygirl. It will be on the screen, and it also will be in the description down below. My community tab, when I post on my community tab, guys, just interact with it and so on. Guys, go ahead and do that. Follow me. If you have not yet subscribed, guys, you should go ahead and subscribe because it's free and we're fun over here. So I did comment under one of my subscribers videos recently, and she called me a sunflower, and it got me thinking to say I don't have a name for you guys, and it would be so nice to call you guys sunflowers. So, you know, what's up sunflowers, how y'all doing? Because I love yellow, and pretty much yeah, we're just sunflowers over here. So if you like that name, go ahead and comment hashtag sunflower in the comments down below. If you don't like the name, go ahead and comment another name that you guys would like to be called, because yeah, we're growing, so we need to name y'all. We all have to have a name. But anyways, without further ado, let us get into the video. So I'm gonna just show you guys like the picture of the pictures that I placed in the form. So yes, that's what I'm gonna show you guys. So the first photo is me in this white crop top shirt. It's what kind of, I don't know what you call that bottom, but it's colorful, quite colorful. It's in my favorite color. And then my favorite color shoe, I don't remember what they call this shoe either. I don't remember. Anyways, if you know the name of this shoe, just comment it down below, because I want to know, because I want to be able to buy one more online, and I need to know like what I should search for. I want a black one and I want a purple one, so yeah. And I have on my hand the purple and yellow scrunchie that I like to wear, and then my hair is just, you know, one place. Yeah. All right, so the responses that I got. So for the first one, pretty much I got 5 responses for the first. Did I? No. There you go. I don't remember. Anyway, so the first person rated this a 5 out of 5. So I did it from 1 to 5, 5 being the highest, 1 being the lowest, and this person gives me 5 out of 5. And if she said, or he or she said, you need some big hoops, no? The second person said, second person didn't give me a comment, but they gave me 3 out of 5. Okay. The next person gave me a 5 out of 5 and said it's the popping yellow for me. I know, right? The popping yellow. I love yellow, guys. So which is why I want to call you guys sunflowers. Yes. Next person did not give a comment, but they also gave me a 5 out of 5. And then the 5th person gave me a 3 out of 5. 6th person gave me a 1 out of 5. Okay. And then the last person gave me a 3 out of 5. So pretty much I think this outfit was actually my favorite. I'm not sure. Yes, because I think this one is the one with the most yellow. So yes, this is the one that's my favorite. So this outfit is my favorite. Then the next outfit is this one, where I have this, is it tie-dye, peach, pink, yellow, blue, green, tie-dye looking joggers, which I bought in Maypen. I have a black tank top, and this tank top, the white tank top was from SHEIN. This one is also from SHEIN. Yeah, those are my tank tops that I had in my SHEIN haul. If you did not watch that haul, guys, it'll be in the description down below or in the cards, one of these places. I don't remember. Anyways, so yes, the first person gave me a 3 out of 5. Comment, no comment there. The second person gave me a 2 out of 5. Okay, no comment. The other person gave me 3 out of 5. Then I got a 5 out of 5. Thank you, and 4 out of 5. And next the comment was, I would have preferred a color out of the pants for the top blouse, which yeah, I could agree. But the thing is, I was trying to match the blouse with my shoes, and I don't have pretty much colored shoes except for that yellow shoes. I mostly have white, black, brown. I don't think I have any other color shoes. I have like sneakers that are multicolored, but it would just look weird for me to have a multicolored pants, multicolored shoes. Yeah, so I didn't use a multicolored blouse, but I get what you mean. And I would have loved that as well, because having like one of those neon green tops with that, ooh, that would be popping. But I would want a shoes to go with that, you know. The next person gave me a 4 out of 5, and then the other person gave me a 4 out of 5 as well. And the comment was, need sneakers, because this person knows that I must know that I love sneakers, right? They must know some I love sneakers, and I think it would look popping with a sneaker, but I don't have one. I didn't have one that would match with what I want. I have a Nike, is it Nike? I have a sneakers, you know, those high top looking sneakers there, but it kind of mash up, so I never want to carry. And this was going to the hotel, so I wanted to pack like light, so I didn't carry any sneakers at this hotel visit. So yeah, these are my hotel outfits, by the way. Yeah. So this next outfit is one of my bathing suits, and it's pretty much like a skirt, yellow and white skirt bathing suit. It has some lemons on it. It has a little cutout at the little as you guys can see at that little part there. I paired it with a hat, one of those beach hats which my mom gave me. I have the yellow thing to catch up my hair like when I'm going in the water, and then the yellow slides as well. The first person gave me a 5 out of 5. Then the next person gave me a 5 out of 5. Next person gave me 5 out of 5 and said just fabulous. So I guess you guys love this outfit, y'all love this outfit. The next one also gave me a 5 out of 5. Wow. The other person, 4 out of 5. Okay. 1 out of 5. You just don't like anything I'm wearing, but okay, that's fine. And then the next person gave me a 5 out of 5. All right, so I think a lot of persons love this outfit. I got mostly 5s, 1 4 and 1 1. So yes, a lot of persons love this outfit. I also love it. It's pretty much one of my favorite bathing suits. So yeah, the next one is also one of my favorite bathing suits, and it's this pink one piece thing that says Baywatch. I did have to improvise with this bathing suit. I've had this bathing suit for a while, and pretty much the back part of it is kind of cut low and it keeps falling off my shoulders. So what I decided to do was to take a black string or thing, and I kind of pulled it and tied it at the back, so it kind of held up on my shoulders. And I did the same thing for like a orange one I wore as well, but I didn't put that in it. So yes, that's what I ended up doing for it to actually be to the way I wanted it to be. And I paired it with this black mesh or sheer skirt thing that my sister gave to me. I just had the idea and my sister loved it, so I decided to wear it. I'm not wearing any shoes since I'm in the sand, but I paired it with also a black hat, and the black hat isn't mine, it's my sister's, with my, what I call this, my Richanti Vibes glasses I bought from my cousin's company, which is akcosmetics.com. Is it .com? I will link it down below for you guys if you guys want to shop. All I bought 2 glasses from her, this one and one I'll be wearing in another day or something. I think you'll see it in the vlogs coming up. But yeah, so that's the outfit. So the first person gave me a 5 out of 5. Next person gave me 2 out of 5. The next person gave me 5 out of 5. Next one gave me a 5 out of 5. Guys, I don't love the outfit, man. 5 out of 5 again. Next one is also 5 out of 5. Next person is also 5 out of 5. So I guess we got mostly 5 out of 5s. And then 5 out of 5 again. So pretty much I got 6 5 out of 5s and 1 2 out of 5. That person really just don't like all my outfits because they're all 1 2 or 3. So yeah, we ain't gonna fuss about them. And then I have a comment saying this is my fave from the first person that gave it. The next outfit is this brown. This is pretty much the outfit I'm not so sure if I like, because of how I paired it. I'm not sure. Anyway, so this is the outfit. It's a brown crop top, but it's a sleeveless one. I ended up putting a white, you know, those half thingies underneath it, but it was showing in this picture. I don't know why, but yeah, it was showing. I paired it with a black and brown and white shorts and some brown shoes, and I had on my rich auntie glasses. Yeah, anyways, first person rated this a 5 out of 5. The next person gave it a 3 out of 5. Okay. Next person gave it a 4 out of 5. Then we got 5 out of 5 again. And then 4 out of 5. And then the 6th person, the person that hates all my outfits, let's see, it's a 2 out of 5. And then the last person rated my outfit a 2 out of 5 as well. All right, so yes, and then the last outfit, guys, the last outfit. Yes, so the last outfit is this green and black, is it jogger suit or something like that? It's like a jogger suit, so it's like a jogger's pants with a long sleeve joggers blouse. I didn't necessarily want to wear the joggers blouse with it because it's long sleeve and it was summer, and it is summer, so it's kind of hot. So I get why this might not be the best summer outfit, but it was new and I wanted to so wear it, so I should have probably changed out the blouse until like a next time, but I just wanted to try this because I loved it. So yeah, but anyways, this I also bought from my cousin's company, which is AK Cosmetics. I bought it from her. I'm not sure if she has this on her site right now, but I know she'll be getting them. But if you live near me and you want one to buy and you wear like extra large, she gave me some to sell and I have one left. So if you want that one, just comment or just hit me up on my Insta if you live near me. It's extra large and it's pink and blue. Or is it pink and purple? It's pink and purple. So it has the same 2-color thing as this one. So this one, one person gave me 1. Oh yes, I paired this with my Crocs and my at girl glasses something. I was just not in the mood because whenever I'm leaving the hotel I'm always sad. So yeah, the first person gave me a 1. The second person gave me a 3. The next person gave me a 4. Okay. And next person gave me a 5. Okay, I see you. Next person a 4. Next person gave me a 2. And then the other person gave me a 4. All right, so yes, those are the ratings that you guys rated my clothes. Go ahead and comment down below you know, what are the ratings you would give me for each outfit. Just write outfit 1, outfit 2, outfit, you know, go on until you get all of them. So I think I had 6 outfits. So for the 6 outfits, what are your ratings for them and which one was your favorite? I think my favorite, as I said, was the first one. I love the last outfit. However, for it to be more summery, I would have probably should have worn a crop top with it, like the black crop top. That would have made it more summery. So yeah, I love my outfits. Just let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, and thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Just go ahead and click that red subscribe button, turn it into gray. I think, is it gray? Yes, turn it into gray if you have not yet. Click the bell so you're notified every time I make a video. Go ahead and like this video, share this video, comment something down below. If you made it to the end of this video, go ahead and comment the beach emoji, so I know that you guys made this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.